Well, let's quickly take a glimpse at the commodities market, where gold is still doing pretty well, as it's performed well all through the week. 0.29% in positive for the close of this week, selling at $3,352.50 an ounce. Silver, $37.02. Copper is $504.60. And platinum is $1,377.61 an ounce of that commodity. Now let's see the change we've getting this afternoon. Positive 9.60 for gold. Silver is negative 0.06%, and it's down 0.17% as a percentage difference. Now copper is minus 9.55%. Platinum is positive 0.71%, and it's up 0.05%. To the other commodities here live: corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Well, let's see what cocoa is doing today. Down again, negative 124.00, and it's down 1.51%. That's not looking pretty good. Wheat is $556.75, and it's also down 1.29%. But corn is positive 0.54%, positive 2.25, selling for $420.25. Cotton is $68.46, and it's negative 0.17 and down 0.25%. It's been a mixed bag all through the week. Talking about the reports we've seen from commodities markets, a deal with Vietnam, and of course all that is happening, Trump's tariffs deadline and all, would play out as we move into the weekend and next week. But we'll see how the markets and commodities prices would turn out as we get into the new week. But most Asian equities markets today struggled, and European stocks look set to open weaker. Despite record high for Wall Street overnight, United States President Donald Trump's deadline for trade deals looms next week, just like I said earlier. But the dollar retraced some of Thursday's gains, with United States markets already shut for the holiday. A shortened week as traders consider the impact of a sweeping spending bill that Trump is expected to sign into law. United States S&P 500 futures down 0.3%, following a 0.8% overnight advance for the cash index to a fresh all-time peak. Now, the Wall Street is closed today for our Independence holiday, as pan-European stock 50 futures sank 0.5%. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.1% after flipping between gains and early losses. That's in early trading. South Korea Kospi is also sank 1.8%. Hong Kong Hang Seng, that's it, down here 0.4%, bleeding in red, as of course Chinese blue chips added 0.7% change to green here, and Taiwanese equities benchmark 0.9% in green. Crude oil market. Now, the futures fell today after Iran reaffirmed its commitments to nuclear non-proliferation amid expectations that major producers are set to agree to raise their outputs this weekend. United States West Texas Intermediate crude rose to $66.80 per barrel. That's with a downward margin of 0.30% on this side. Brent crude futures sells for $68.49, down 0.45%. Bonnie Light sells for $78.62, also negative 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers offer $68.76. That has an uptick, the only market in green this afternoon, for 1.03% in green.